I'm videoing.
And if I tell you to walk away, walk away.
Yeah, I'm
okay?
videoing. Trying to calm the bees down.
See how many's on the bottom? Just don't swat. Don't do nothing. I'm looking for the queen on.
Look at all that honey.
Look at the pollen down here in this bottom left corner.
Pollen.
See all this pollen over here?
A lot of pollen.
A lot of nectar. Okay.
Look at all that honey. Look at all that pollen.
Looking for the queen. There she is. Look at her right there.
Yeah, there's the queen.
You can tell she's a lot bigger, can't she? Baby trying to come out. I think she's gonna come out while we're watching it. Look at there.
Came out. A baby came out. There it is.
Fuzzy baby bee right there. Just watched it hatch. There's another one coming out right there.
Look, another one right there.
Right there.
So watch it hatch too.
Yeah, it'll probably take a little while for it to come out.
There's another one.
Where?
Look, right next to it.
Oh yeah, right down here.
What be dead. It is. That's cool. Oh my.
That's all capped honey right there.
What about right there?
That? Yep. Don't. And see, they're capping this over here too. Right along the top edge.
Look, they got a little bit capped right there.
A little bit on that side. They're starting to cap it right down through that middle. See the middle? Where that rubber band's laying?
You see?
See that piece of cap stuff? Just got a sting. Got stung on my finger.
Easy.
Right there.
That ain't good. Hurt?
A little bit.
Here, bee dancing. You did?
I was trying to see if there was any babies hatching out on this side. This side's mostly hatched.
Look, there's one baby right there. You see it?
Mm-mm.
Look, right there where that bee is. On top.
Use your finger.
Right there where that bee is.
I don't see any baby coming out.
No, it's still forming.
Oh, no, I'm talking about one that's trying to climb out of its hole.
Oh, but do you see that one?
Mm-hmm. The little round marshmallow looking thing? Yep.
There's also another one right there.
Lots of them.
A lot of honey too right there.
I don't understand why they're not using this.
Yeah, they're not using that at all. They're not going to use it.
Look, they're all on the backside. I wonder. cactus like this. And I force them to live over here and live over here.
Sounds like somebody's coming down the driveway.
They capping anything on this one? A little bit right in there.
Just a little bit. Look at that honey.
Yep, a lot of nectar. A lot of pollen being packed in. There's hope.